All right, friends, here we go. Chapter 2. Remember yesterday, Lucille and Grace were Junie B. Jones and Grace hopped into Nana's gold car, and Lucille wasn't very happy. So here we go, Chapter 2. Lucille sits at my same table in room 9. She kept on being mad at me, only I don't even know why. That is a lovely sweater you are wearing, Lucille, I said, very pleasant. She scooted her chair away from me. I scooted next to her. Ooh, is that sequins I see on the collar? 'Cause sequins are my favorite little shiny roundish beady things, I told her. I touched one of the sequins. Lucille pushed my hand away. I tickled her under her chin, very friendly. Coochie coochie coo, I said, real fun. Lucille turned her back to me. I swinged her ponytail. Swingy, 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 I sang. Just then Lucille springed out of her chair. Stop touching me, she hollered right in my face. My teacher hurried to my table speedy fast. Her name is Mrs. She has another name too, but I just like Mrs. and that's all. I smiled very cute. Hello, how are you today? Me and Lucille are not even fighting. We are just having a loudish conversation. Mrs. looked funny at me. I think you mean conversation, Junie B, she said. Conservation is when people save something. I tapped on my chin, very thinking. Then all of a sudden I jumped up real excited. Yeah, only I do, Mrs. I do save something, I said. I saved that Grace a seat on the bus. I shouted across the room, Grace! Hey, Grace, tell Mrs. how I save you a seat on the bus because she thinks I don't know my words, apparently. Then Grace shouted back, She does, teacher. Junie B saves me a seat on the bus every single day. I smiled very proud. See, Mrs., I told you I saved something. Mrs. stared at me a real long time. Then she closed her eyes and said she needs a vacation. Pretty soon the bell rang for recess. Lucille didn't even wait for me and Grace. She ran right out the door without us. That is how come we had to chase that girl down and surround her. I made my voice very growly. I'm at the end of my string with you, madame, I said. How come you keep being mad at us? 'Cause me and Grace didn't even do anything to you. Lucille stamped her foot. Yes, you did. You ruined everything. I was begging my Nana for a little white poodle, and she was almost going to say yes, and then you guys got in my back seat, and now everything is ruined. I did a huffy breath at her. Yeah, only that is not even our fault, Lucille, because we didn't know you were begging. We just wanted to see your Richie Nana, and that's all. I don't care, said Lucille. You should have stayed away. You guys have your own Nanas. Just then me and Grace got very glum again. I know we have Nanas, Lucille, I said, but they're not Richie Nanas like yours. That Grace hanged her head. Our Nanas are just regular Nanas, she said. They're duds, I said real soft. After that, Lucille acted nicer to us. Sorry, she said. Sorry about your regular Nanas. I was just upset about not getting my poodle, that's all. Usually my Nana gives me whatever I want. Just then a real big smile. I smiled real big, because a great idea popped in my head, that's why. It came right out of thin air. Lucille! Hey, Lucille! Maybe me and Grace can come to your Nana's house, and we can help you beg for a poodle. I danced all around. And here's another great idea. Maybe we can even spend the night, possibly, because me and Grace never even saw a Richie house before. Plus, that way we can beg for your poodle the whole entire evening. All of a sudden, that Grace started dancing all around, too. When can we come? When can we come? She asked. I clapped my hands, very thrilled. I'm available on Saturday, I believe, I said. Me too. I'm available on Saturday too, said Grace. Lucille thought and thought. I don't know about Saturday, she said. My mommy and daddy and brother are going away for the weekend, so it's just going to be my Nana and me. I jumped up and down. Hooray! I said, that will work out even better because we can beg your Nana with positively no interruptions. Jesslyn and Lucille started to smile. Hey, yeah! Why didn't I think of that? She said. I pointed at myself. 'Cause I'm the brains of this outfit, that's why, I said real happy. After that, all of us skipped around and around. Plus, me and Grace did a high five, 'cause we were on our way to the Nanas, of course. All right, they found a way to get a sleepover. Let's see what happens next time. Chapter 3 is called The Rules. Have a good day, everyone.